Well, we are on the road again. We're headed up to grab yet another side-by-side. It's up on the Grafton Road, so we'll stop down here at the Maverick to get fuel. Got the Cherokee and the black trailer, so we'll take you along for the ride. This road will smooth out when you get on top too. Hey, look, it does. See that? It's as smooth as glass. All right, well, we're working our way in here. We're headed up the Smithsonian Butte Road from Rockville, and it's a rocky son of a gun. We're just gonna work in here nice and easy. Looks like they're pretty much right on the main road, almost back to home base, so we'll get them scooped up no problem with the little black trailer, and we'll strap them down and head out of here. Oh, that's not a good place.
Your destination is on the right.
To be. My destination's in the middle of the damn road. Well, let's see what we got going on here. Looks like we got a lower right control arm has folded up somehow. Had to have maybe hit something. Rolled that out of there and then broke that upper ball joint. That's a mess. See what they hit here. Oh, right there. Hit the tree. Yeah, it come in hot and hit the tree right there. Hit that. Boom. Still skidding there. Where's this other one coming at? Where did it break? Oh boy, they was hauling. They were hauling. They're on the brakes still right there. Look at that. Still hauling it. Oh, here we go. They are right there. So they come into this turn right here. They hit the bank. That's where they lost. Straight through, Bill. Come through. Hit the bank right there. Folded up that control arm and then drove it clear the hell up the road where my Jeep's at. All right, just shot the corner a little bit, looks like there, and hit that bank and folded that lower control arm up. Bent that, and then once that gets that control arm out of joint, it pops that baby out of there. So thankfully everybody was okay, and we left the machine here. We're gonna probably turn around and get right up here next to it. We should be able to just drive it on. If we need to, we'll winch it, but we'll see how it goes, and we'll get her back to the shop and get her put back together, and Bill can get it back out on the trail again. work in the dark, when you're working in the dark, you put the camera down right there with the mag mount, and you miss the little trick that I use to load these, and it's right there. Those two little boards, and they slide up and then fall out when you don't need them. But anyways, whatever. I got it loaded. I'm headed back to the shop. It's late. It's been 2 weeks of this every night, all night. I get about 1/3 of my rescues filmed for you guys, but we'll figure it all out. Whatever. We'll take you along for the ride and all that other good stuff. I'm irritated, can you tell? I took those two little boards and stuck them underneath that front tire like I normally do, and those things fold up like that, and got it on the trailer. We'll get her back to the shop, see if we can't get it put back together tomorrow or the next day for Bill. Get it back out on the trail. This goes back to the saying of drive it like you stole it, drive it like a rental, you know, whatever you want to say. So you get out here, you never know what you're going to find, but they come around this big bend and hit the side of the ditch there, and it folded that front control arm up, and then it popped the bumper ball joint out. We'll get it back down to the shop and get it figured out. And I want to give a special shout out tonight to my camera crew that put the camera on the back of the trailer backwards. Thanks, you guys. You guys are the best. I appreciate you more than you know. We'll work our way back out. We're going to head out towards Highway 59. The road's a heck of a lot smoother, and we sure appreciate all the support and all of the comments and messages and phone calls and emails and gifts in the mail, all that good stuff. So we're having a lot of fun with this. We're going to keep doing what we're doing, and thanks for coming along for the ride. All right, well, we made it out there and back, and I don't normally leave them sitting on the trailer, but I figured I'd go parade this one around town this morning while I dropped the kids off at school, but give you a little better look at it in the daylight. But folded that control arm up there, peeled that out. Doesn't look like it ruined the brake line and the steering, so lower control arm and an upper ball joint. This thing will be out on the trail again. Get her going. Figured I'd wait till I had some help down here to offload it. Looked like everything else, everything else is intact. So, hi, Dustin.
Good morning.
Is it more?
Yeah, baby.
Should have had the GoPro camera going on that one. They hit a big old bank. We're on the road again. This time we're headed out after a gal that you guys see on YouTube all the time, in the comment section at least. My friend Jillian is out here stuck. She decided to go through the tunnel at Sand Hollow in her big, what is she drive, an Expedition? Anyways, she decided to go get herself buried. We're gonna go out and get her gathered up. And then we got another call holding for Tokerville Falls, the famous Tokerville Falls Road. I make it out there probably 3 to 5 times a week, sometimes 3 to 5 times a day. So today we have cameras, so we're gonna roll them, and we'll take you along for the ride.
went riding with Rob. I went hauling in the sand up a hill that's bigger than the bowl, Dad. Like way steeper than the bowl, and I went. Is it that car?
Hey, I gotta pull one out up there if you need help with this one when I get back. If you don't get him, I'll come help you.
It's a little soft, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, it's way soft. Sand is so soft. I finally shifted it down.
Yeah,
Dad, Rob let me ride his 450.
that's what he said. He said it was awesome.
Dad, you can go 60 miles an hour from here to here. It's so weird and nice. Like, the clutch, if you let it out slow enough, you could just let it out in gear, and then if you let
Where
it
do
out,
you think she is?
I don't know, if you let it out fast, it's just like a normal clutch. And like when you shift, you barely tap your foot, and you can't even notice that you're shifting. You could be in like 6th gear and be like, ah, and still like feel like you're in first. This is awesome. Now you jump to like really super far and like really high.
You want to drive my Jeep?
Oh my gosh, Dad. I just want to be going quite slow. When there was snow here, it was trippy. Where's the lady at? I forgot you were videoing. Oh, people are- Oh my gosh. How far?
Will it turn this way at all? Well, it will when we start going. You know the routine. Well, that wasn't too big of a deal. Snuck up there on the sand dunes and pulled Jillian out. She's on the road again. So now we're gonna head up to Tokerville Falls with the trailer and drag out a Polaris Razor. Are you guys shocked? Anyways, that was fun. So we'll catch you on the next one.